In an effort to combat tuberculosis within Riboy district as part of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, the District Tuberculosis Officer's Office organized a meeting today at Byrnihat PHC where nutritional food was distributed to TB patients. Speaking at the event, local MLA Sostenes Sotun commended the collaborative efforts of the central government, state government and health department in combating tuberculosis. He stressed that the importance of collective responsibility in eradicating the disease, urging patients to cooperate fully with health authorities. Others who are present in the program included District Medical and Health Officer Dr. T.S. Momin, District Tuberculosis Officer Dr. E. Kalwing, and representative of the companies who have pledged to support TB patients by providing nutritional food throughout their treatment.
But kada tang kajung pesta kajung pi but di ikidawai but bam ikijung bam ki batay kabala bang ila ban ong bang ila ban rat ki dungkong ha ki bidai but kene ki justom ki bi